Hey guys, Jared from Oneupreviewz. We got another pickup. Let's get into it. Cool, so what we've got in my hand, obviously it's a Nike box, but obviously with it being orange, it means it's one of the, one for athleisure, not athleisure, forgive me, physical activity. These are like the proper ones, proper running, and that is what this trainer is. So what we have in my hands is the Nike React Infinity Run FK. FK means flying it. So and we have it in the bright crimson, white black colorway, and a US 8.5, UK 7.5, and it's a European 42. We have actually done a trainer similar, and it was the Nike React Phantom. Similar build. It's got that React technology. I will show you. I've got it here to compare, and I mean, look at that. That's really cool color. Like bright red crimson. Obviously, it's nothing like the Nike. Everyone was all hyped about that Red October, the Yeezy 2. So this is our interpretation. We bought this in it, but really cool. I really like this. I mean, it's really aesthetically pleasing. Look nice to look at. Really bright, catches the eye. What more do you want? That's what you want when you're running. You want everyone else to see what you're wearing, or see you just run past, essentially. But let's get into it. And I do have this to compare. So it does have the same sole unit of the React, but the main difference is obviously there's more React in this one than the Phantom. So let's go on the outsole. In this Infinity pack as well, you have a rubber outsole, where this is just the foam of the React. Now Nike's React system has the best transfer of energy in the market. Obviously you've got Boost, and what other ones are there? Well, I know there's a lot of stuff on some EVA sole units like you'll get on Reebok and Puma, but arguably on the market right now, this Nike React is top notch. So why I'm holding this is what they've added onto the Infinity, where the first iteration and the second iteration don't have, as well as this, is a rubber outsole to protect it. So you're going to be in your running a lot. There's going to be a lot of friction. Obviously you can see that these have been worn, these have been ran to God knows. You can see the fading there, and it wasn't that great. Here, a whole rubber outsole, really cool. Obviously it gives that protection, and arguably there's more rubber, more surface area rubber here on the forefoot, because that's where you're going to be striking a lot. And what's really good about this is that Nikes have incorporated a rocking system. So when you strike on the forefront, this is stable. Well, obviously these two are kind of curved, so as soon as you hit here, strike it, you're automatically going back into the sturdy middle, and then if you do it the same, it rocks as well. So that's really cool of Nike to do, as well as the comfort of React. Going up along the midsole, so you have the Nike React branding here, nice Nike swoosh. It looks really cool as well, because it's not an out and out swoosh. It's just the outline made along with the plastic overlay here. Now, what I don't like about this trainer, unfortunately, is it is flying it. You can tell the flying it by the sock unit here. I mean, essentially the upper is a whole one big fly unit, flying it sock unit, but you can see it more on the tongue area and around the collar where the booty, where you put your feet in. And the forefront is plastic. I mean, I can understand why, it will just help clean, help kind of prevent water leak seeping in when you're running, if you'll run unfortunately into a puddle or whatnot. But if it adds the level of breathability that the previous iterations have done, that's great. Hopefully it does. I mean, this is really lightweight as it is, so the plastic covering, as much as it feels weird, it makes up into its weight, basically. Like all running trainers should be. They should be lightweight. Going up into the heel counter, so you have a more plastic on here to protect obviously the heel unit. Nice pull tab with the Nike Infinity React branding. Easy system to lace on, to put your feet on, and then simple lacing system as well. Outsole is removable. And what more can I say? I mean, as an avid runner myself, I do suggest, well, I use a Flyknit Racer at the minute, and that is more Phylon midsole, like it's little beads of EVA, whereas this has actually got the Nike React technology that I want that, you know, nice transfer of energy back. I want that bounceability in every step. And in their marketing, they said that this prevents like injuries. I don't know how viable that is, but don't hold me to that. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can get injured in this, but like, what I think they're trying to do is like reduce the number of like breakages or whatnot that happens when you're running, and God forbid it affects your feet. So I think what Nike are trying to do is like minimize that. Don't hold me to that, because I'm pretty sure like accidents happen. So Nike needs to look into that part of their advertising. But really cool trainer nevertheless. Can't wait to run in these. Can't wait to try these on first. Let's go. Guys, this has got to be one of the most comfortable shoes I've worn. Obviously, I've not run in it yet, but I can tell you now, like that support, that rocking system, I can feel it. I can feel that React, and it's like in good use. A couple things though I have to mention is it's a good fit. Like surprisingly, remember the Roshi runs? It feels like that. It feels like one of those. I was able to slip my feet in. Doesn't feel like there's too much. What you call it? I don't feel like this is really tight. It's really comfy. Honestly, like the React is amazing, and I could feel that middle system as well being well used. To pivot and to bring my foot back down. Don't know what else I can say. The red obviously complements the black joggers I'm wearing there, but as well as being really, really fashionable and really nice to look at, they're so comfortable. Really are. Would I run a marathon in these? Probably. I don't know. We got a lot of shoes to try on. Let's give you the little 360. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.